ward ya Gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masabe county enyamira serieta Job Oira Nyanchoka nigo tikoria rero akodere emirimo yaye una umwarimu monene nigo ababwatani aho bagokera egasi umwarimu uyu anabereka kobeka sobotendere bwe skuru eyo Murikito Steven Nyariki Mbunde nwarenga somo igoyo robatiro asenjero bikira
Ase umuyaga bugotimoka korwase meremo yo bwarimu bonene ase skuru ya Riamoni yogotoka ase wodi ya Gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masabe me county ya Nyamira ase mwarimu monene bwe skuru icho Oira Nyanchoka atimoka korobokoreri bwo bwarimu obukonyora abeire ase myaka 35 nebere.
That's near your home, and at one time served as a CEC member in Nyamira County. Brothers, I want to thank you. I want to appreciate your efforts in coming to witness my retirement today. I'm humbled. We have not had such a big number in any event when we are out. This is an indication of love, big love, by the way, for you to have come to grace my occasion. I am humbled. I'm happy. I don't know today whether I'll sleep. I'll be very happy.
Como ndamoroke buna maisani ekyagero mwalimu okolire gasi engiya yesukuru akokorega sipakekera tabwatire ntara akorere lakini aiweta akore
warendera abana biya wasomiri abana be skuru abande bakogenda sikari for the past 25 years. Mimi yangu leo ni kukuambia hongera sana and may God bless you. Bless you your journey unapogenda sikari tobasotige boria gende boria tienen. God to bless you as you start a journey outside there. Jenabere ngumukwani na mono na ndo bero gonzira mono
bagukwanekere ikyo bwatani begisemi nigo bagendere kubeka bosio kanere byabayiboli nabayigo aborokigwa kubeka bosio esemi ekebungu kyo bogima nabo igo koba bosio asoko imokia eyamate.
So him, I used to tell you teacher, if you do good job, if you do your work very well, utakuwa very akamodu mzee when you reach 60. God will bless you.
Egati yabarayibekirana asomo yegoyo namona oyo kuriyekero ky'obunge ase bunge ya Kitutu Masabe Mosque Crive Wora aserit koria rero inse foundation ya Crive Wora Foundation airwa gochegosomya abana bane ase boarding abana bagosoma ase school ya Riamoni munenchera yemo yogosegeta chisemi
eta case kyo mwana orenge the only child otarenge boarding school ekera abana bande barenge boarding school akwana no mwalimu akanke ile fees nke nenche nkakane yende tukabeko mwana ye boarding school mwana ya geta ne B- mwana ne university ya Rwanda mwako era and we identified another needy kid at the school way nere tukamobeke school asinga nchoba korero bya mwalimu to akanke ile fees nende tukakanira mwana oyo nera agaeta ne sipu na rero iga pante bire na inkaransta abana mbaro wange bane bare chi day school ekera abana bane bare chi boarding mo wancha abana bato beke boarding school abana bari bonse bare e day school mo wacha ko cha mutuga iga ekera tokore omwarimu to kwane nere to mwaka day school fees ekere baswe e boarding school na bande na baro wa matemu gocha baite bagenda chi university
ka ukwanekere kyo Crive Wora nigatebirenga munere naro yebunge ya Kitutu Masabe nigasabira bamenyinga nere bya bakunikira umujumbe tamwe yemo eriyo borayi bonyara ko babogwonjereria ase ebunge yu ya Kitutu Masabe
ogoro yokwana egacha koligi ne obujumbe bwa Kitutu Masabe ninu mwa chora barai mwa chora ta barai kurumaega mukabakero murai etamwe yeme mugasorokyo mukamwe etamwe riro nyambati etamwe riro ba etamwe Shadrach etamwe mwanjira ko mwe etamwe nere
semyaka 35 nebere nigo mwarimu gosemo principal we school ya Riamoni arache kogendanga na gutumuka korwa semereba ya muno mwarimu asisegeto yanyareko bagekobekwa n'abakwani ng'anere biya bene kina ekere bari aso koreri annemono aso gosomia babe abaigenu korwa ase eskuru ya Riamoni iyo gotoka ase wodi ya Gesima ase bunge ya Kituma Saba ime kaunti ya Nyamira. Ingo reporter ya Nsoko TV, Rieta Nyariki Steven.